Good morning, you happy people. Hope you guys doing great. Thank you very much for all the support. Right, today I'm here to cook one of an authentic recipe. That's from Spain. Yeah, people say Spain, but it's basically European. Everybody in Europe, sure, there's so many pigeons here. Okay, so yeah, gazpacho. It's a cold soup. In South Africa, in our place now, we're going into summer, and it's going to be very good. It's very healthy, especially during the COVID and all the stuff, whatever we're going through now. So stay tuned. Thank you. Let's start chopping veggies, starting with a cucumber. Okay, and tomato. Basically, tomato and the peppers that brings the color in a gazpacho, guys. So make sure that you use nice ripened red tomatoes and some celery sticks. Traditional gazpacho, we don't use celery sticks, but I like celery sticks, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, there you go, nice and red pepper. I'm gonna use red and also yellow, so I don't want the gazpacho to look red in color since I'm already using tomatoes, so I'm gonna use one yellow pepper. You can chop roughly, you don't need to be worried about because we're going to blend it anyway. So I'm just chopping roughly. That's it, and the yellow one. As I mentioned, just roughly chop because we're going to blend it anyway. And coming up is mint. Traditional gazpacho as well, you don't need to add mint. It's only basil, but I like the taste of the mint, I like mint. So I'm going to add a bit. And then I'm going to chop some basil, fresh basil. I love the aroma of the basil, guys, it's really nice. Garlic, the best. Roughly chop. I'm gonna chop some bread. So what I'm doing is I'm using French loaf. I like French loaf, so I'm using it. You can use any bread. So what bread does, it makes the gazpacho, the soup, creamy, and it gives you a nice texture as well. Roughly chop. That's it. There you go. Simple and easy. And we're going to add some pepper and some salt. As per your taste. And some a splash of olive oil and a splash of vinegar, guys. Bread going in. There you go. That's it, and we're gonna mix it thoroughly, give it a nice mix. And what you're gonna do is, once we mix it thoroughly, we're gonna leave it aside so that we'll give some time for all the veggies to ooze out those liquids, which will help us to blend into a nice thick cream. There you go. Use a blender. I'm just using a juice maker. If you want, you can use a traditional blender, but yeah, our goal is to make it a creamy soup. All done. That's it, and it's ready to serve. And I'm gonna garnish with slices of avocado, making it look pretty. And some sliced baby tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. And then some thinly sliced basil. That's it, ready to serve. Hope you enjoy.